Okay, this is just a new smoke alarm. I'm about to show you. Da-dum! There it is. Right, there you see it. See it, can't you? Yes. Take the mountain. Here's the mountain plate for it. That's what it looks like with that both on. Mountain plate and that. Yep. And I did test it in some alarms is free, but I'm not uploading it yet because I'm going to upload it with my webcam, so that's why. That's the problem. Okay. Well, what I was going to do is test it, see how it works. But the thing is, when you test it, what happens is the smoke alarm actually doesn't silence. It doesn't silence when you release the test button, so I have to press it in again, basically. So yeah. Whew. Been a lovely Sunday outside, but that's another story. That's another story, as it is. So yeah, now I'm going to show you the sound it makes. I've already shown it to you. Well, I haven't shown it to you yet. But I can tell you what it is, just in case you forget. If you hear it but you don't recognise what it is, it's temporal, which is known as code 3. But it is 85 decibels or more. You know. And be careful with this one, because I broke hit the floor earlier and made a horror sound. Yeah, okay. And I can record anything as long as I want. So I can keep it going on for just 2 seconds. But anyway, yeah. This is how it goes. I was going to test it with aerosol spray and then spray stuff, yeah. But the thing is, once the sun's off, as quick as I can, so it doesn't re-alarm. Just in case it does. I'll use the test button first to show you. Anyway, I might be doing that because, well, I'm not doing it's loud, but I'm doing kind of a stretch. You know what I mean, don't you? Anyway, let me test it and show you how it works. Right, yeah. It did quit beep on the end because I forgot to silence it properly. So yeah, that's one way you can set it off, but another way you can do it is using aerosol spray. It's the spray stuff, if you know what I mean. So I'm just trying to think whether to test it with it or not. Because the sensing chamber, because you need to blow it as quick as you can so it doesn't re-alarm. But I'll just quickly ask. My voice went a bit high then, didn't it? I'll just see if I can quickly ask if I can use aerosol spray to test it quickly. I tell them as quick as I can, as quick as I can make it. But really, I prefer doing it now. So basically, what I'm doing is just showing you the stuff here. Just showing you like that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna see it. Just see it. There you go. There you go. Wait. I'll show it down there. Well, I quick get some test it quickly. I'll be back in a minute unless you calm down. Just stop. See it? Now I've got the aerosol spray, this spray. Should work. I haven't tested it with spray yet. But anyway, but I never tested it with spray anyway, so I don't know what's gonna happen because I've never tested it with spray. So yeah. Yes, that's about it. Actually, I'll do the spray test. I'll do the spray test in another video. Actually, let me go back in and put it away. I'm back again. So yeah, that was smoke alarm test 3, but without the spray stuff. I did show you it, but I'll do it in the next video. I'll ask if I can do it. So basically, that's about it. Well, yeah, that's about it. By the way, the LED does flash. If you don't know why, that is because it's ionization. That is just because it's ionization. See that? Then when I tested it and silenced it earlier on, it blinked quite quick, basically. So yes. So yeah. Thanks for seeing my new smoke alarm and its test. I'll do smoke alarm test 3 next on the next video. So yeah, thanks for watching.